just a little, down and pump it out. Hey guys, welcome back to Fit After 50. Welcome to today's workout. Today we're working on the legs. We'll get started in about 23 seconds right now according to the clock. Same format as we had for the last two workouts. 3 minutes of warm up, followed by 8 exercises, 30 seconds long, and then 2 minutes of doing core. So we'll get started in 10 seconds. We're just warming up today. We're gonna be warming up the legs, so it's more of a stretch today than what we had before. So let's get started in 3, 2, 1. And just give me knee holds and just bring the knee all the way up. We're doing this for a minute, so take your time, stretch out. My knees are creaky. So more than, like I said, the other workouts that we had, we did biceps and triceps. We kind of did a warm up just to get our bodies moving and get our blood flowing. Today we're doing more of a stretch so we can perform these leg workouts with a little bit more mobility. God, I can't speak. And finesse. All right, we got 30 seconds left for this stretch. So we're doing a minute on, 30 seconds off for these warm-up exercises. We have another about 15 seconds or so to go. Keep going. Bring the knee up. Got 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, and 30 seconds rest. So like I said, we're gonna have 8 different exercises for the legs. I'm gonna be using dumbbells. For reference, they're 30 pounds each. If you need to also add a little bit extra resistance by using dumbbells and bands, that will help you out a little bit. Legs can be very difficult to work at home with very light weights because they're very strong muscles, so they do require a lot of resistance. All right, you guys see the preview for the next stretch. We'll get started in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1, and bring it up and down. Take your time, no rush. Up, down. Hug that leg and bring it all the way up and back down. Stretch those glutes and down. Stay with me. Down. I'm just trying not to lose my balance, so I'm taking my time. And back. Back. 30 seconds left. I like jumping right into these workouts without much of an intro. 30 seconds and boom, right at it. And back. Hug that leg, hold it, and put it back down. 15 seconds left. Try not to lose my balance. I haven't done that yet, so I'm doing pretty good. Well, a little bit there. Back to the last one. 3, 2, 1, and let's shake those legs out a little bit. Boy, I did that run on December 31st. My hamstring is still sore. It's better, I've been jogging, but it's not 100%. We'll call it 80. All right, next one. Forward lunge, and then give me as much of a twist as you can, all right? Nice and easy. Loosen those hips up. Still activating those legs before we get started with our workout. So 5 seconds, 4, 3, come on, 2, 1, nice forward lunge. Lunge down and just twist. And back. There's no rush on these. Down, hold it, and a little bit of a twist. And back. Looking good. And twist. And back, and forward, boom. And back. Keep going. Try to go farther and farther down with every lunge that we take. Get a little bit blood circulation, get it moving in the morning. If it's morning for you, it's morning for me. 15 seconds left, keep it up. Three, 2, 1, this is the last one. And here we go. All right, first exercise is gonna be a right leg lunge. So just step forward and just give me pumps. You can use 1 dumbbell, 2 dumbbells, no dumbbells, dumbbells and bands, whatever works for you. It's gonna be 30 seconds. So 1 step forward and just pump it out for 30 seconds. Remember, the next 8 exercises, 30 seconds on, 30 seconds off. All right, let's not make sure we don't miss the first interval at least. All right, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step forward and just give me pumps. 1, 2. Don't know why I'm counting. Got 30 seconds left of this. Down, up, down, up. Not quite all the way up. I want you to keep tension all the time on that quad. Five seconds. 3, 2, 1, and weights down. All right. 30-second break, and we'll jump into the other side. Remember, 8 exercises today, guys. Now I can start making this playlist, because now we're gonna have this is the third workout in the playlist where we're just working a body part per workout with the same format. Warm up, workout, core. Should be a pretty good playlist. If you repeat this once a week, you'll hit everything and hit it pretty good. All right, 3, 2, 1, other side, and let's go. Ten seconds left. 1, and that's it. Weights down. We're moving over to the wall squat. So find a wall. For me, it's this wonderful thing right here. Hoping I'm still in the camera view. 30 seconds hold. Nice isometric hold. Maybe I can do it here. I might not be able to fit there. I'll use this wall. 10 seconds, we get going. So start getting ready. And we got 5 seconds left. Gonna slide our butts down in 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Nice hold, 30 seconds. Already starting to feel it? About halfway done. Keep it up, keep it here. 10 seconds, guys, 10 seconds. Hold it right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and up. All right. Now we got wall squat. Now we're doing a squat squat. So I'm going to use my 30s, 2 of them. I'm going to squat all the way down, deep as I can go, and come all the way up. So full range of motion. I'm going to keep the weights on the side of me today. My shoulders are a little sore, so I'm not putting it up on my shoulders. And they're 30s, that's hard to hold up. So let's get started. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Squat down, and all full extension. "15 seconds left, keep it up. 3, 2, 1, and weights down. For next 2 exercises, we will not need a weight. We'll do some glute bridges. And since we're only doing 30-second intervals, we'll do it one leg at a time. So one leg straight, and you're gonna pump out one leg, all right? Start with whichever leg you want, doesn't matter, because the next exercise is the other leg. So let's get going in about 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, get ready. Let's go, up, down. Squeeze on top. Yes, my glutes are somewhat weak sometimes, and this will be one of those days. I'm going up as high as I can. I expect the same from you, so keep it up. 10 seconds. 5, 3, 2, 1. Stay right here because you're just going to do the opposite leg. Whew. Stay here, relax. Oh yeah, I felt that pretty good today. So this is the bad hamstring that's coming up. See if that holds up. It'd probably be good to get some blood flowing through that hamstring anyway, help with recovery. All right, we got 10 seconds left, we're not talking. We get going in 5, 4, 3, 2, get ready, 1, and let's go. Up, down, up. Seconds left. 10. Keep it up. 3, 2, 1, and we're done. All right, right back up. We're moving on to RDLs. So back into the dumbbells in about 20 seconds. So guys, if you experience knee pain, a lot of times it doesn't actually stem from the knee, it stems from very weak glutes. As you saw, my glutes are not very strong. I can't get a lot of height on those glute raises. Work on those, and a lot of the knee pain will go away. Trust me on that. All right, 3, 2, 1. Let's go on the RDLs. Make sure you keep that back locked in as much as you can. Bring that butt back. When that butt stops going back, bring it back up. Try to keep those knees almost straight. Three, 2, 1, last one. All right, we have one exercise left for the legs. We are doing squats, but this time, partial squats. I want you guys down, go all the way down and then come up about 2/3 of the way up. All right, so I don't want you to lock it out. I want to keep constant tension on those quads. So down, let them stretch out, and then 2/3 of the way up. 30 seconds. Last exercise. Let's make it count. Let's not waste any time. Let's get ready then. 3, 2, 1. Down and up. Just a little. Down and pump it out. Fifteen seconds left. Five, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. I'm gonna put my weights away. I will not be needing these anymore today. And we are moving on to 2 minutes of core. First minute, Russian twist. Get down on the ground. Everybody, you guys been here before, you know what the Russian twist is. You may have been here, but if you've been here, you definitely know what the Russian twist is. Probably one of my favorite core exercises. 1 minute Russian twist. You guys ready to go? In 3, 2, 1. Legs up and let's go. Keep it up. 10 seconds in. 20 down, 40 left. Keep twisting. Halfway. One second left. Ten seconds, keep it up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, stay right down here. We're gonna go scissor kicks at my pace. I don't want just flutter kicks. I want you to keep these under control. We're going to do 1 more minute, and then we're done. So lay down, get comfortable. We got 15 seconds of rest left. Remember, keep the tension on the core constantly. So one leg is gonna always be up in the air while the other one is kicking. All right, here you go in 4, 3, 2, 1, legs out, and let's go. 1, 2, 1. Keep the pace. 1, 2. Keep it up. Stay with it. Don't rush. 20 seconds, 20 seconds, 25 seconds left. Be 20 seconds in 1 second. There it is, there it is. There's 20. Keep it up, same pace. No rush, 15 seconds, come on. You got it. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we are done. And that was the end bell that I just heard on my phone. So it means our leg workout is completed, guys. So thank you for joining me today for Fit After 50. My name is Paul, and I take you through every single workout on this channel for over 4 years running right now. There are, I think, close to 450 full workout videos. Most of them filmed right here in this basement. So if you enjoy this workout, check out the brand new playlist that's got 2 more workouts in it. We'll complete it pretty soon. It'll be a full body workout. It'll be full body playlist workouts with the same kind of way of doing things as this one was. Anyway, I'm rambling on. Thanks for joining me today at Fit After 50. Don't forget, workouts do come out every Monday and every Thursday. For 4 years running right now. If you enjoyed it, leave a comment down below. Give me a big old thumbs up and a like, and I'll see you guys during the next workout.